In the fast paced world of affiliate marketing, staying ahead of the game is crucial. And what better way to gain an edge than by harnessing the power of cutting edge AI tools? You see, AI is not just a buzzword anymore, it's a game changer for marketers like you and me. Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today we have got something truly exciting in store for all you affiliate marketing enthusiasts out there. We are diving deep into the world of AI tools and their role in transforming affiliate marketing strategies. I am thrilled to be your guide on this AI driven adventure, and also we are hosting an exclusive workshop on AI tools, including ChatGPT, where we will learn the ins and outs of these incredible AI tools. So stay tuned.
This Diwali, skyrocket your career by learning AI tools and ChatGPT. I'm going to teach you that. Click on the link below and sign up for the workshop.
So the first thing I want to do is head over to a site called Earnly. Earnly is an affiliate deal sharing platform wherein you can promote products and deals of leading online stores through your social media networks. If someone buys a product through your shared link, you earn a commission for that particular sale. Once you are logged in, you will find more than 1000 retailers already available on the platform along with their income rates. Pick a retailer you would like based on your preference or income per sale and share the link with anyone who would be interested in buying it. Okay, and before we move forward, I have something very interesting to announce. AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tool workshop in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description below. Okay, so now I want you to head over to ChatGPT. For the sake of this video, I actually chose the money management niche, but you can choose any niche that you like. You can do business, you can do fitness, health, you can do relationship and all that good stuff, but the money management niche is a huge niche. A lot of people from young to old likes to learn how to improve themselves, so I'm gonna use that as an example, but you can use any niche that you want. So all I did is I told ChatGPT, can you give me the 10 top books on money management, and certainly here are a list of 10 influential money management books that have been popular over years. Keep in mind the effectiveness of these books can vary from person to person, so it's essential to find the one that resonates with you the most. So ChatGPT gave me all of these books right here that we can start to promote now. Now the first step here is right important because we have to make sure that the book we choose is actually available over at Flipkart, because we are going to generate link from Flipkart itself, otherwise we will not make money. So I like this one right here, the number 2. So all I'm going to do is just copy the title and head over to flipkart.com and actually just check if the book is available. So I just do a quick search and yes, it's available on this platform. Now that I know it's available, we can continue with this method. So I'm gonna get back to ChatGPT right here, and then I'm gonna tell ChatGPT, can you create a 2000 word summary on the book and then the book name by the author, just a simple prompt, just like this one. And then I got this amazing summary right here written by AI with few thousand words that we are going to use to actually drive traffic for free to this specific book. So in the next step, you want to head over to medium.com. It's actually a super great platform to write your articles on and get ranked by Google because medium.com has that authority. So when you post articles on medium.com, it's actually a really high chance of that article ranking high on Google, and that is how we are going to get free traffic to promote these books. So just go ahead and sign up right here and create yourself a free account now. Once you are logged in, it's going to look something like this. And all you have to do is click right here on write and start building your first article. But there is one thing you must do before we start building out our article on medium.com, and this is really crucial because if you don't do this step, you mess up right here. You will not make money at all. This is super important. So what I want you to do is head over to a site called Quillbot.com. It's a paraphrasing tool that we can use to make the AI generated article more unique in the eyes of Google. So make sure you are using this tool right here on the left side called Paraphraser. Now, all you have to do is get back to ChatGPT and start copying section by section now. Because Quillbot is a tool we are using for free, we cannot copy or paste the whole article. You must do it section by section now. When you start making money with this method, you could actually invest in a paid membership at Quillbot, and that could possibly speed up the whole process. So, all we have to do right now is just paste that introduction part right here and just click on paraphrase now. Now the article is getting rewritten by Quillbot, and what you also can do is you can click on any of these highlighted words right here and actually choose even more customization to that piece of the article. So what you can do right now is just hit copyright and then paste this into a medium.com. So just repeat this process with every section of the article, and once you have your article rewritten, just come back to medium and you just click on the plus sign right there and start building out your article. So whenever you paste it a section like this, all you have to do is just press enter and then just paste in the next section and next one until you have your whole article. And then you can come up right here and give your article a name, right? So what I want you to do is actually use the book or book name somehow in the article, and I will use ChatGPT in this case for sure to write me some headline for this article. But make sure to use the book's name somehow in this title, because this is eventually our main keyword, so we can be found on Google. So just keep building section by section and build your whole article. So what you can do is just actually insert your affiliate links every here and there throughout the whole article, and maybe at the end of the article use a more clear call to action and like check out the book right here and start buying this book right here for free, for example. And all you need to do is insert your fit link by copying from the same site only. Just generate your link and highlight a part of the text right here, and then just click on the link symbol and then just paste your affiliate link right there, and it's going to be an underlying piece of text which will be a hyperlink and act as your link to the book on which is your affiliate link, of course. And another thing you should definitely do with every single article or book summary that you upload to Medium is to actually insert some images. So you can just head over to free site called freepic.ai and just search for images like success, money management, and whatever your article is about, for example, and then just find a couple of images that you like and then just click to download those pictures that you like and download them to your computer, and then just come back to Medium. And if you want to insert a picture, all you have to do is just click on the plus sign and choose the first image icon right there and just choose the image you just downloaded it from freepic, because the article will look so much better. So now you have your affiliate links and some great images. It's time to publish. So all you have to do is just come up right here and click on publish, and then you can add topics which is basically tags. So you can use something like success, say make money, self improvement, freedom, and stuff like that. At least 5 of those tags, and when you are ready, all you have to do is hit publish now, or you can obviously schedule it for later. Don't miss out on this chance to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. Join our workshop, equip yourself with the latest AI tools, and stay ahead of the competition. Embrace it, master it, and achieve the success you have always dreamed of. Click the link below to register for our workshop and begin your journey towards affiliate marketing excellence powered by AI. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you.